Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Sydney and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. And today I have a quick get it all done video where I am tackling our closet, which is actually one of our 4 bedrooms that we will be transitioning into a walk-in closet on the upstairs level. And it is a complete disaster. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned if you want to get some really good motivation or inspiration on cleaning a disastrous room. The first thing I am doing though is I'm getting myself ready. It is my day off from work and I find it so easy to just want to stay in bed all day and not do anything and not be productive and just kind of relax. But at the same time, I find myself giving myself guilt. I don't know if it's mom guilt or just I always have to be doing something. I don't sit still very well. It's just not in my DNA to sit still and relax. I'm always working on something. So even though it was my day off, I did want to be productive, and the first thing for me is to get myself ready so I feel put together and ready to start the day. I've done my makeup, I've showered. I'm gonna check my to-do list here. I literally made myself a to-do list to get through the day. So this is my to-do list. I can mark all of that off. Shower, hair, makeup. So now we're on to cleaning. I need to do all of that laundry that you guys just saw in that room we call the closet, because that's going to eventually be just like a walk-in closet. I still am going to work on this, I think, later today. And then we've got to get dinner going. I do have the chicken defrosting right now. I am going to add on here, what's that called? A front door mat? Is that what it is? I'm just going to write that on here. And so yeah, we're moving right along. And I just went and grabbed all the laundry from all the other rooms. So fun. How exciting is this? Oy. Whew. Let's get going. So as I'm cleaning through all of this laundry, I'm sitting here thinking about the ideal laundry system, and I need your guys' advice. As I mentioned earlier, our washer and dryer are in our basement, which is 2 flights of stairs. Again, not a big deal, but it's definitely not convenient. And this room that we're in is going to become a walk-in closet. So I'm thinking that I want to centralize all of our laundry into this room, and I'll put on the screen some of the inspiration ideas that I'm looking at. I want to know your thoughts or what works for you and what has not worked for you. So if you have any ideas or thoughts, let me know in the comment section below, because I'm definitely needing some guidance on what to do to get this laundry situation under control. I am not going to let this room get like this again, so I really need to get some type of solution going for all of our laundry needs. And then I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I learned from a fellow YouTuber on how to hang your items. Granted, every single item that I'm putting away, I am going to have to de-wrinkle or iron before I wear it. And that is one of the drawbacks of just letting your laundry sit and not hanging it up immediately. But we'll just deal with it this time and not let it happen again. Anyways, I learned this trick from a fellow YouTuber, which really speeds up the process when hanging your items from the dryer up into your closet, to actually just lay all of your items on top of each other in a big stack. And then you'll take the hangers and put the items on the hangers right there in that stack. Then you just pull the whole stack and it goes into the closet. It is so incredibly easy. You'll see what I mean here in just a few minutes. And if you didn't already know this hack, now you do. I love it. I don't know where it's been my whole life. Thank you to the YouTuber that put this on their vlog, because it really has helped me save time and has made it such an easy process to hang my clothes.
Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, I just wanna see you on my, I just wanna see you. I can do my thing, 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 I can do
I just wanted to take a minute and touch base with you guys. I just uploaded our Fall Home Tour 2020. I will link that in the iCards for you. So if you haven't checked out that video, make sure you go check that out. I'd love to get your feedback on our fall tour. And I want to know what you guys are doing. If you're decorating for fall or Halloween, or do you do both? I am still on the fence whether or not I want to decorate for Halloween, just because I think with everything going on, I'm still trying to figure out really if there will be a Halloween. I know that sounds silly. Obviously, we'll have a Halloween, but I think it's going to be different this year. And so I'm trying to decide if I just want to let it be the way it is, or decorate for Halloween, or, just move on through the season and skip the Halloween decorations this year. Let me know what you guys are planning on doing. I'm very curious, because we still haven't decided, and before we know it, it's going to be October, so got to start thinking on that one. Anyways, I'm just going to finish up. I'm getting so close to the finish line here. I can see the carpet. There's more carpet visible than laundry. So progress. And I'm so happy that this room is finally done. We do have like 20 loads of laundry to do, but baby steps, we're getting there. ended up just cleaning until Sean was done, so probably about 30 minutes. It was a lot of laundry to sort through, but it's all done. We've got a lot of loads down in the basement to start and just keep going with the day and loads of laundry. But I'm so happy. Since we've moved in, this room has not been cleaned. So now back to the to-do list to see what else we have to do.
6 hours later.
Well, I realized that I didn't end the vlog. I forgot to pick up the camera. We went and we grabbed a bite to eat, took back some stuff that he was using to, I want to say till the yard, but that's not right. What's that called? Aerate the yard. And then picked up Sophia. Sean did some more laundry. And I actually laid down for just a little bit. So, and now I'm here. Sophia's already in bed, and I'm gonna go pick up some ice cream, and then I'm gonna call it a night, guys. So we didn't get everything done, but I did get an idea of the things that I needed to do for our front porch. That's gonna be in a different video. So you'll definitely want to stay tuned. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below so you'll get notified when I come out with my fall front porch, front patio decorating video. And I am going to end the vlog here. So until next time, guys, I'll see you later.